Hello, welcome back to another video, and this time I'm going to continue my little program, my little lottery program. So, as you can see, my last video I coded a way to get the user to input a ticket. If you have not watched that part 1 video of the lottery ticket, I suggest you watch that, because today will be a continuation in which I'll get a draw to generate a random ticket. So as you could recall, I have created an array for the user's ticket, and I made a while loop that loops, and each iteration gets the user to input a number, just like writing a lottery ticket, picking your numbers. And now I'm gonna get the program to draw, to make it a random number. So yeah, here we go. So to refresh, I'm gonna run it just to refresh our minds that I made it. So yeah, so as you could recall, I could pick 5 numbers, 7 to 25. If I put 26, it won't work. 25, 3, or nope, 5. So yeah, this is my lottery ticket. And now, as I made my program, I got that part where I make the user get the ticket, write their numbers. I am going to code a method that actually creates a random ticket, a random draw of 5 numbers from 1 to 25. So let's do this. So now, method to draw a random ticket, a random draw of 5 numbers, to draw 5 random numbers from 1 to 25. So that's it. I'm going to start writing the method. So yeah. So this method, I think I'll make a method that returns an array of integers. Draw numbers, and it will not have any input, and so I'm going to create an empty array of 5 numbers, size 5, int draw numbers, int draw ticket. I'll just call it draw ticket because I don't want to call it the same as the method name. Equals new int, and it'll have a size of 5. So and now I'm going to write in a loop. And as you can see, I have imported a random class so that I could use it for generating random numbers. So yeah, I'm going to now loop it. Draw ticket dot length I didn't put I++, that's really important. Okay, what this loop does is that each iteration, it's going to fill the 5 number array. The array with 5 numbers with 5 random numbers, as if you're doing a draw for a lottery. So yeah, draw ticket, I equals RNG. I think, wait, I have to put in my create a random variable, random object, RNG. I like to call random variables of objects of random class RNG, because it's a random number generator. As you can see, RNG stands for random number generator. Okay, new random. And next int, the bound will be 25, but since I want to generate numbers 1 to 25 instead of 0 to 24, I will add 1, because this only generates random numbers from 0, which I don't want, to 25, non-inclusive, and so I add 1 to it. And yeah, so that's what this loop will do. Just fill the array of 5 numbers with 5 random numbers, and I'm going to return this draw ticket. So just going to put some notes here. Just making notes here so that, like, this method, I know which block of code is doing. So this block of code just generates easier to input 5 numbers from 1 to 25. And now, once that's done, I'm going to yeah, now I'm going to draw it. So this time, what I'm going to do is I'll create a new array to draw the ticket, and that draw results equals new int. Oh wait, no. What I'll do is I'll call the method of draw ticket, draw numbers. So this is the magic. That's the draw numbers, and I'll print the results. Just to say, after you create your numbers, I'll draw the numbers, and then I'll print out a message that says good luck. And then the results of the draw is print ticket. I'll print the results, print ticket, and draw results. And I'm gonna run my program to check to verify I have no errors. So now I'm gonna run it. So yeah, once again, I'll enter the same numbers: 7, 4, 25, 3, and 5. And then good luck. The results of the draw: 7, 20, 14, 12, and 4. So it's pretty good. I got 5 numbers. I get the program to draw 5 random numbers. And now what I'll do is that I'll compare my ticket. I'll compare my ticket based on the draw ticket, and I'll create some if statements that will determine how much I won. So to recall, if you choose 2 numbers, if 2 numbers are the same, from comparing your ticket and a draw ticket, you win 1 dime, 10 cents. 3 numbers out of 5, it's $2. The price of a couple of bubble gums. 4 numbers out of 5, it's $15. And 5 numbers out of 5, $100 bill, $100. So once again, these prizes are all made up. I'm not sure if that would be balanced. I'm just made it up, because since I made it up, it may not be that balanced in terms of the prize tree, but as you can see, the prizes are much more greater but also rare. So yeah, now I'm going to create a method to compare the results. So I'm going to create a method. Public static int count matches. So int ticket numbers. It'll take 2 inputs: your ticket and a draw ticket. And I'm going to set a variable count equals 0, counting all, keeping track count of matches, and at the end I'll just return it. And so now I'm going to loop. Create a loop that will loop through my ticket, and I equals 0. I is less than dot ticket dot number ticket numbers dot length. I plus plus increment I by 1 every time. If and each iteration I am going to check if it matches. So, oh yeah, also I think I'll have to what do you call, check each number. So if I check 5, I'll have to first check 5 for the first number of my ticket. If it exists, then I will count it. If not, then I'll scan the next number, so on. So yeah, this will be a bit complicated, and yeah. Oh yeah, change it to draw numbers, because I think I'll have to create a for nested loop. Maybe, yeah, ticket numbers dot length. It's probably nested, because each iteration I'll have to loop through the array again to check the next number. int scan number equals tick numbers.I. And then I do a for int, another for loop, j equals 0. J is less than done. Draw numbers.length this time. And j++. And so I think I missed something. I'm afraid. I think I missed something. Oh yeah, never mind. I don't think I missed anything. So, and inside a for loop, I'll check if ticket numbers, scan number, because I'm gonna check scan number is equal to draw numbers dot j, I believe. Yeah. I'll increment count by 1. I think there should be another way. I believe there should be another way to do it without nested loops. And yeah. So what I'm trying to do is that I have a nested for loop, because the outer loop, I am going to change the number to look for in my ticket, and then each iteration of this big for loop, I have to create another for loop to check if it is equal, because I have to scan the entire array 5 times just to scan that one number. And if that number exists in that array, that draw ticket, I'm going to count it by 1. So to do that, I'm going to check that if it's working properly, I'm going to print out the count. So what I'm going to do, system.out line count matches. Lottery ticket and draw results. I think this should work, but I'll make sure. So as usual, I'll do 5 random numbers this time. Five, 7, 11, 17, 23. So I think I got good luck this time, because you've chosen the numbers 5, 7, 11, 17, 23, and these numbers appeared 3 times. I got a pretty good luck in this program, but damn, I spent all my good luck in this little program where I should have spent all my good luck somewhere else. Dang. Well, that's okay. Hopefully I'll get more. Hopefully I'll get lucky in other places. And yeah. So now I figured it out. Now I'm gonna make a series of if statements to determine the prizes. And that will be the last step of my program. So yeah, now determine how much I won. So if count matches, yeah, and I'm gonna store that. So I don't have to refer it all the time. I don't have to call this method too many times. So matches is equivalent to 0 if I don't get anything. 0 or 1, or matches is equivalent to 1, then I'm going to print out something. Print line. You have not won anything. Better luck next time. Okay. And then I'm gonna do it again. No, I'm gonna do an else. If matches equals 2, if I win 2, if I could remember, you've won. Price is 10 cents. You have won 10 cents. So typically, if you play in a ticket and you don't win, if you don't get a lot of matches, sometimes you could win like a very small amount of money, like 10 cents or 15 cents, or anything that's really insignificant. Just remove the if here. And so, if I recall, the grand prize is $100, and that it's if you get 5 matches, and 4 matches is $15, and 3 matches is $2, and so forth. And now I'm going to run it again. I am going to run it again to see if it's going to work or not. And yeah. This should work. So now I'm going to run it again. Hopefully I'm lucky so I can show you the program in the works. 7, 8, random numbers, 16, 18, 22. And as far as I could tell, I didn't win anything. You have not won anything. Replay this again. So I'm going to kind of replay 4 more games to show you, since I'm going to wrap up pretty soon. 10, 11, 16, 27, no, 24, 24, 23. No wins yet, because I didn't, in fact, I only got 1 match, and that's awful. Let's try again. 3 more times. At least $2. I've got lucky before. 1, 22, 16, 9, 12. No wins. What the hell is going on? 2 more games. 15, 13, 19, 20, 21. I have won $2. I've met my goal for today. 15, 15, Well, I actually made it twice since I had $3 one time. 3 points one time. 20 appeared and 20 appeared. 15 came up, and 19 also came up. And now I'm gonna do one more run. 4, 10, 16, 15, and 22. And I've won 10 cents. So at least the last game was 10 cents. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the ASMR tingles. This has been a pretty fun program to code. It's a pretty small but fun program. And yeah, this is the end of this video. Like this video if you hit the like by hitting that like button down below. And I hope you enjoy my future videos because I'll make more coding videos.